point, I'm just going to go ahead and put some ink onto my screen, just at the top there, like that. It's a nice healthy amount. Depending on how many prints you're going to do, you might want to put more ink or less ink, do you know what I mean? Because it saves you having to go back and get some more, basically. I've got my squeegee, I've got my acetate, which I'm going to use first, and then I'm going to get some paper and print on the paper. So if you want to follow all of that. I'm going to kind of have my back to you guys, so I don't know if you want to sort of shuffle around a little bit, just so we can accommodate for that. If that's any easier for you.
Thank you.
So I'm basically just going to, 45 degrees, nice bit of pressure on the squeegee there, just got to pull that down like that. And as you can see, I've done it on the acetate to start with. Alright, now just going to get that, I'm going to flood the screen, so I'm just basically just going to push ink back over, nice and gently, you don't have to put any pressure on it. We've just set the ink back in the image there, which keeps it nice and moist for us so that we don't start losing our print. I've got my acetate there. Now that comes in very handy for this situation, because I'm going to get my desired piece of paper that I want to print on. I'm going to line it up. Usually you'd use probably a better method, but just for now, because it's pretty quick, we can just do that. I'm pretty happy with that. Don't know about you guys. I think that will do for now. So I'll move my acetate out of the way. That's definitely in the right place. Put my screen back down. We've got a little bit of distance from the mesh and the table there on the bed, because you don't want it to be touching, because that starts to get a bit complicated. So got a little bit of pressure on there again, and then bring that down like that, and then lift it up. There you go. There's your first print.
Brilliant.
And that's it. And that's yours. You can have that. All right.
Excellent.
So that's and then literally, if I wasn't sort of hanging around and chatting, then I'd just start carrying on. I mean, I'll pop that one down. Again, what I'd like to do ideally is, if I'm putting the acetate back over, if I'm lining this up, and I say, right, I'm definitely going to have that there, then to save me doing all that acetate business, I'm just going to get a bit of card, pop that up there, a bit on the side there, pop that just along there, and make sure that they're secure. Obviously they could be done a little bit better, but that means that when I do my next print, I should lift that up, that should be fine. I'm going to flood the screen, take my print out of the way, pop that down to dry, get my next one, and then I haven't got to fiddle around with any of that acetate business. Bits of card are there, they're already telling me where I'm going to print, and then bang, away we go. And then that way you're saving a lot of time, your ink's not drying, and you're getting your prints done. That's it.
Excellent.
All
Thank
right.
you.